Hey, YouTube. It's your girl, Miss Brandy 1525. I told y'all I was going to make these videos no matter what, okay? So, yeah. Went over to my house, y'all. We had to go in there and do some things today. And it was a package, priority meal on the porch. So, I figured I would come to y'all and share it. Now, I did cut the box open, y'all. But I have not looked in this box. Let's just open it up a little bit this way. Whatever is on the top. I don't know what's in this box. I haven't looked in it. Don't know who it's from. Or none of that. So, I'm just going to open it. It's from Novex. I can see that. I am Mystic Black. Bring the desired shine. Remove the split ends. Cure the frizz. And undo the tangle. I am Mystic Black. So, here is the little pamphlet that come with it. And it's got a little letter in here. And I don't know what this is about. But yeah, hey. So I thought I would share it. It says, it's true, you have been selected to be the first to review our brand new collection. We are so excited to hear your feedback and see your reviews, videos, and posts online. Show us your before and after images and videos, how to use tutorials, package unboxes, and tell us your unboxing. I can read. And tell us your experience. So, it is called Mystic Black, okay? So, oh, this is cute. Look at that. Oh, it come in this cute bag. And that is the bag. And it do have the Novex logo on it, y'all. Yes. So, y'all know I'm always in the market for new products to care for this hair. So, let's see what we got. We got some black Novex. I don't know what this is, y'all, because it looked like the writing on it is in Spanish. And they got it wrapped real good, okay? And I don't speak Spanish. But let's see what it is. Y'all forgive me. But I wanted to open it with y'all. I didn't want to open it before. And Lord, I need some scissors. Oh, it's packaged good, y'all. They mean this ain't gonna spill. Okay? They mean it ain't gonna spill on you. I'm trying to get all this saran wrap off of it. It's probably froze, y'all, because it was sitting outside. And this is shampoo. I'm sure of it. Even though I'm not Spanish. It says CHAMPO. So I'm assuming that's shampoo. Oh, the other side is in English, y'all. Your girl is slow. But anyway, that's the shampoo. Yeah. Mystic Black shampoo. Okay. It ain't no way in the world I could get that off of there, y'all. And this is, let me look for the English side. Y'all, that is the Mystic Black leave-in conditioner. Okay. And this is the Mystic Black conditioner. Yeah, this is conditioner. And that's that right there. You can kind of see through the plastic wrap. So that's the conditioner, y'all. And this is, I don't know what that is, y'all. You know your girl can't see. Hold on, let me see. Oh, I gotta make this quick because my battery is flashing, y'all. This is, Lord have mercy. Let's see, this is bring the desired shine. I remove split ends. Detangle. I don't know what this one is, y'all. I really honestly don't know what it is. I'm going to have to open this one a little more because I don't know what it is. It is, y'all, only if I wasn't blind, if your girl could see. And then the packaging being black, I think it's a mask. I think they say. So I think it's a deep conditioner, y'all. I really do. It smells good. That's what it looked like right there. Let's see. See if one of the kids was in here, they could read it for me. But yeah, y'all. So anyway, they sent me this, what I believe is a deep conditioner, I think. But I will let y'all know. Conditioner, shampoo, and a leave-in. So yes, I'm really excited to try those. I will be trying them, definitely reviewing them for you, and letting y'all know what I think of these products. So that's about it. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, I'm going to read this material and I'm going to use them. And I'm going to definitely get back to you. Leave them in the comment section for me. And that's about it. Mwah. Thank you, Novex. I do appreciate this package. The packaging is gorgeous, y'all. I'm a sucker for pretty packaging. This bag is just too cute. Too cute, reusable bag with the little scrunchy drawstring closed top. I like that. Definitely going to be able to reuse that. Okay, so yeah, I will definitely let y'all know how I like it. Thank you again, Novex, and I'll be coming back with a review soon. So, mwah, be beautiful, divas.